Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking essentials: NFC on, Play services updated, and a screen lock set. Open Google Wallet and tap the plus icon to add a card. You can scan the card or type numbers manually. Once done, your bank will ask for verification. Choose SMS or phone call and enter the code. This step proves you own the card and lets Google link the tokenized version for secure contactless payments, so make sure the phone has signal during verification. You now configure behavior. Set your preferred payment card as default and enable Tap to Pay under Settings so payments flow without extra taps. Add loyalty or transit cards and arrange their order so the right card appears first. Once configured, test with a small purchase at a contactless terminal. Tap your phone on the reader and watch for vibration or a check mark. If the test succeeds, your tokenized card is active and ready for everyday use. To finish, double-check wallet permissions and keep the app updated so tokens renew automatically. If a payment fails, first toggle NFC and restart your phone, then try the transaction again. You can remove and re-add the card to force token refresh. Make sure your screen lock remains active because Wallet requires it for security. If problems persist, contact your bank to ensure mobile payments are allowed on that card. Doing these steps gets you back to quick, secure taps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.